we are asked to resolve into partial fraction 2x plus 11 divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So we have that 2x plus 11 all divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So at this point, since the expression at the denominator are linear factors, the compound fraction is resolved into the form a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x plus 3. Now, since we have been able to split a partial fraction, the first thing we do is that we take LCM at the right hand side. So therefore, LCM here is giving us x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Thus, the numerator becomes a multiplied by x plus 3 plus b multiplied by x minus 2. So we have 2x plus 11 divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Now, looking at the expression at the left-hand side and that at the right-hand side, you can see that the denominators are equal. Thus, the equation becomes 2x plus 11 equal to a multiplied by x plus 3 plus b multiplied by x minus 2. So let's call here equation 2 and let's call here equation 1. At this point, to obtain the values of a and b, we can use two methods. One is using the cover-up method, whereby we substitute convenient values of x to eliminate either a or b, or we use the comparing coefficient method. But in this video, we'll be using the cover-up method. So using convenient values of s, we can say that put s equal to negative 3 into equation 2. So this becomes 2 multiplied by negative 3 plus 11 equal to a multiplied by negative 3 plus 3 plus b multiplied by negative 3 minus 2. So at this point, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 11 equal to a minus 3 plus 3 is 0 plus b minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So at this point, we can eliminate a because a times 0 is 0. Minus 6 plus 11 is 5 equal to minus 5b because b times negative 5 is negative 5b. So at this point, we can obtain the value of b by dividing the equation by negative 5. So negative 5 can cancel out itself. So therefore, b is equal to negative 1. Also, to obtain the value of a, we can substitute x equal to 2 into equation 2. So we have that put s equal to 2 into equation 2. But recall that our equation 2 is expressed as 2x plus 11 equal to a, open bracket, x plus 3 plus b, open bracket, x minus 2. So we have to put the value of s equal to 2 into this equation. So we have that 2 multiplied by 2 plus 11 equal to a, open your bracket, 2 plus 3 plus b, open your bracket, 2 minus 2. So at this point, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 11 equal to a multiplied by 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5 plus b multiplied by 0. So at this point, we can eliminate b because b times 0 is 0. So 4 plus 11 is 15, equal to 5a. So therefore, a is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. So at this point, we have obtained the value of b to be -1 and a also to be equal to 3. Now we can substitute the value of b and a into equation 1. So recall that equation 1 is giving us 2x plus 11 divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x plus 3. So a is giving us 3, this is 3, divided by x minus 2, and b is -1. So we have -1 divided by x plus 3. We have been able to resolve our compound fraction into its partial fraction. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you're interested to learn more about partial fraction, where denominators are quadratic, repeated roots, and even improper fraction, do not forget to check out this playlist. And I wish you success in your learning journey. Bye. I will see you in my next video.